In this video we're going to take a look at the Irish verb cruthaigh, which is to create. A very useful and flexible verb that you can use in many different contexts. Cruthaigh, to create. If you want to support me here on YouTube, you can do so by making a donation by PayPal. Any help is much appreciated. Links will be in the description. So back to this video then on cruthaigh. So the verbal noun is ag cruthaigh. Ag cruthaigh. So that can be a handy alternative to ag Déan, for example. Ag Déan. Ag Déan comes from the noun Déan, which is to make or do, and therefore the verbal noun of that is ag Déan, which is making or doing. Ag cruthaigh is creating. Ag cruthaigh deisina, creating opportunities. Ag cruthaigh deisina. Let's look at the past tense. Cruthaigh is the past tense, so it takes a H because it begins with a letter C. Because the verb in general begins with a letter C, it takes a shevu in the past tense. A shevu is a H added after the first letter. Cruthaigh. Cruthaigh siad spás agus mar sin de bhí sé níos éasca. They created space, and because of that, it was easier. Cruthaigh siad spás agus mar sin de bhí sé níos éasca. So a handy little phrase there you might have caught in the middle of that sentence was mar sin de. That's a very useful phrase, and it just means because of that or therefore. Mar sin de. Let's look at the present tense then. Here's a sample sentence coming up. Cruthaíonn sé deacrachtaí ó am go chéile. It creates difficulties from time to time. Cruthaíonn sé deacrachtaí ó am go chéile. So cruthaíonn there is the present tense, and you'll see the ending there has the I fada ONN, and that's because it's a two-syllable verb, cruthaigh. So it has different endings to what a one-syllable word would have. A one-syllable verb would probably have an ANN or EANN ending, but because it's a two-syllable verb, we have the I fada there, ONN on that one. Cruthaíonn sé deacrachtaí ó am go chéile. It creates difficulties from time to time. And that's another handy phrase as well there. Ó am go chéile, from time to time. Ó am go chéile. Let's look at the future tense now. Cruthaigh mé I bhá nua aimseartha. That means I will create a modern image. Cruthaigh mé I bhá nua aimseartha. So cruthaigh there has a different ending to what a one-syllable verb would have. A one-syllable verb in the future tense would have an FIDH ending or an FAIDH ending, depending if it's broad or slender. But cruthaigh, because it's two syllables, has this particular ending here. Cruthaigh mé I bhá nua aimseartha. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for all your likes, support and all your comments on my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'll be back very soon with another video. Gurb míle mágad agus slán go fóill.